Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to channel. In today's video, we're diving into the latest updates in Windows 10 for 2025. If you're still rocking Windows 10 and wondering what new features and improvements Microsoft has brought to the table, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Windows 10 may not get as much attention as Windows 11 these days, but that doesn't mean it's not still receiving regular updates. So, in 2025, here's what you need to know about the latest features and improvements in Windows 10. First up, we have enhanced security features. As cyber threats continue to evolve, Microsoft has ramped up security in Windows 10. New security updates in 2025 focus on protecting your device from the latest malware, ransomware, and phishing attempts. One of the big additions is improved integration with Windows Hello. Facial recognition and fingerprint scanning are now more secure than ever, using updated hardware support to make your login process both faster and safer. You can easily set this up by going to Settings, then Accounts, and selecting Sign-in options. From here, you'll find the Windows Hello options. Next up, virtual desktops have gotten a major boost in 2025. If you're someone who likes to work with multiple desktops for different tasks, this update will be a game changer. Windows 10 now includes improved task management and window snapping across virtual desktops. You can also create and switch between desktops much more seamlessly, and it's easier to organize your apps and windows. Just press Windows plus tab, then click on New Desktop at the top. You can quickly switch between them using the same keyboard shortcut. Performance optimizations are another key update. Windows 10 in 2025 is now faster and more efficient, thanks to several under-the-hood improvements. Startup times have been reduced, and the overall system resource usage is much more streamlined. For those with lower-spec PCs, this means smoother performance and less strain on your system. Another exciting update in 2025 is the revamped Microsoft Store. The new version is more user-friendly and faster, making it easier to find and install apps, games, and other content. Plus, Windows 10 now has better support for Android apps, meaning you can run even more types of apps directly on your PC. This feature uses the Windows Subsystem for Android, which was introduced in earlier updates but has seen major improvements. Let's not forget about gaming. Windows 10 in 2025 brings a smoother gaming experience with features like Auto HDR, improved DirectStorage support, and better overall graphics performance. These improvements make gaming on Windows 10 better than ever, especially for those using high-end hardware and looking for a console-like experience. So, there you have it, the new features and improvements in Windows 10 in 2025. Whether you're looking for better security, performance, or just an improved user experience, Microsoft has definitely made some solid updates to keep Windows 10 competitive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates and tutorials. Got any thoughts on these updates or features you're excited about? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you.